The joys of riding out in the country. The smelly cow shit and tractors. Hopefully this tractor will be going straight over. Nope, he's turning left. I can't believe how busy it is today. Honestly, this road's normally empty. Thank goodness he's turning off. Right, off you fuck. Bye. Right, I'm just going to stop here and have a wee vape and program my sat nav, because there's somewhere I want to go. There's that nice van that let us by. It's flipping roasting. I'm going to get the phone out and see what the temperature is. I am absolutely sweating. I've not got my glasses on, hopefully I can still see it. Oh. "27 degrees. It's warm. I've just stopped off at Reservoir and it's absolutely stunning. It really is. And they say there's a water shortage. Well, there isn't up here in Scotland, that's for sure. There she is there. I've just checked the GoPro footage and I didn't record it from Carnwrath down to here, which is a bit of a bugger. I've been having some sound issues on it, so I just wanted to double check that it was recording properly, and it hasn't, so I'll make sure that it's recording before I set off from here down to where I'm heading. So yeah, that's me, had my quick vape break, and yeah, this is just stunning, it really is. Absolutely beautiful. Right, we're recording now after Silly Works obviously pressed the button to turn it off on the last stop. So hopefully this will record now. It's a shame because it was some beautiful scenery and little villages and hamlets that I came through, but not to worry. I'm sure there'll be plenty more nice scenery to look at.